Welcome to the kitchen of academia.tv. I'm Andrea Navone, and in this series of lessons, I will introduce you to the HotMix Pro product range. HotMix Pro is a leader in the catering industry for over 10 years. HotMix Pro designs and manufactures its machines entirely in Italy. A HotMix Pro consists of 3 product lines: a line dedicated to thermal mixers, like the Gastro, a line dedicated to frozen product processors, like the EasyJazz, and finally, a line of dehydrators, called Dry. The thermal mixers features 3 different working capacities, 2, 3, and 5 liters. The machines are named respectively Gastro, Gastro XL for the 3-liter capacity, and Gastro 5 stars for the 5-liter capacity. With the HotMix Pro thermal mixers, we can count on a high blade rotation speed of up to 16,000 RPM, degree-by-degree temperature control up to 190 degrees Celsius. The wait temp function allows us to maintain the temperature stable over time. This line also includes 2 thermal mixers with special features: Master, which includes all the features of the Gastro and adds the vacuum function; Breeze, a thermal mixer that works at negative temperatures down to -24 degrees Celsius. With the Master, thanks to the vacuum function, we can concentrate or reduce a product without working at the usually high temperatures. The vacuum lowers these temperatures, ensuring better organoleptic results and completely eliminating the risk of oxidation. Thanks to its ability to work at negative temperatures, the Breeze can, for example, help stabilize emulsions, preserve the color and characteristics of a product, and minimize the oxidation process in cases such as cutting vegetables or fruits. The EasyJazz line is dedicated to the processing of frozen products as well as fresh ones. Thanks to the blade speed and design, it is possible to process a frozen product and achieve different results depending on the program set or the ingredients used. For example, you can create powders, sorbets, or gelato. For fresh products, the main functions are 2: whipping and cutting. We can whip a fresh product, such as whipping cream, or we can cut, grate, refine vegetable-based products or aromatic salts. When processing frozen products, the blade characteristics allow for direct serving without additional cooling steps and without needing to modify recipes. Finally, we have the Dry line of dehydrators, whose function is to dry or dehydrate products. The trays provided with Dry are 1-on-1 Gastronorm trays, and Dry models are available in various capacities, accommodating 9, 19, 29, or 39 trays with separator included. In a dehydrator, the key parameters to consider are temperature, which can be controlled degree by degree up to 90 degrees Celsius, time, which can be set for up to 150 hours, airflow speed, with 10 different settings available. All these settings can be applied to the entire chamber or split between the upper and lower chambers using the split function. Throughout these lessons, we will explore all these features through simple preparations, including how to set the various machine parameters. Step by step, we'll get to know the HotMix Pro range better.